Hey guys, this is Claw versus Boy saying that I'm doing an unboxing video from Interesting Stuff Girl. So yeah, I'm doing an unboxing from Interesting Stuff Girl. We did a trade. I traded her a Punch Monkey for a Popeye. So yeah, I had opened it already. So yeah, so I don't have to like open it during the video. So yeah, I'm gonna see how the Popeye looks. Excuse me for a second. So yeah, it's a rare Popeye. So yeah, he looks more bigger than I thought. So yeah, this is a rare Popeye, and I like the tag. What year it was made? It was made in 2012. So yeah, this is my first Popeye. And all I just need is olive oil, Brutus, and Wimpy. So yeah. Oh, and another update. Sorry I didn't get this on film. My camera was dead. So yeah. Me and my brother won this June Betty Boop at the claw machine on Sunday. So yeah. Me and him have won this. So yeah. She is for sale. So yeah. Not trade sale. I'll let you buy her for like, she's $8 and under. So yeah, $8 and under. So yeah. And plush that I am looking for is, I'm looking for Despicable Me 2, Purple Minions, Yellow Minions, Gru, Margot, Edith, and I think the other name Agus, and the unicorn. So yeah, I'm looking for Despicable Me characters, Minions, and the unicorn. So yeah, and the Smurfs, the new Sugarloaf Smurfs. So yeah. What else? Like I told y'all, I'm looking for olive oil, Brutus, and Wimpy. So yeah, I'm looking for turbo snails. So yeah. What else? Let me think. And I'm looking for Fruity Patooties too. So yeah. Let me think. Flintstones, Jetsons, and Rare Sesame Street Namco plush. And Adventure Time plush too. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and goodbye.